Till now, in previous programs, we used to give the values to variables within the program. Today we will be using new technique to give the values to the variable at the time of execution of the program. It is user-friendly statement where we will be inputting values to the variables by using StreamReader. So let's create a class. We will be giving the name, let's give ABC, but we know that ABC program is going to use new statement which is inputting by StreamReader, but we cannot write here input because input is the keyword, so we cannot do that because keywords cannot be used while naming any class or variable name. So let's open editor and maximize it. Now let's delete sample program as usual. After deleting, the first line will be public static void main string args, then square bracket, then closing bracket, and after that we need to add one more thing, which is throws IO exception. So hit enter, and by using this throws IO exception, it is going to check if there is any input output error, and it's going to give the message for that. It's going to send this error to the exception handler of Java. So next line will be, let's initialize variable, and if we are going to give the value to numerical variable, then we'll write int n, and then one more string variable, that should be string let's give name str. Now we are going to call that library package also, and before that, on the top we are supposed to write here, we are supposed to import package. Which package? Import java dot io dot asterisk sign. It means we are importing this package, library package, and it is including all the functions related to it, which are going to help us. And now for that we are going to write input StreamReader, and here we will write read is equal to new input StreamReader, and then system dot in. This syntax you have to learn this syntax. After that, next line will be to allocate the buffer. So for that, next line will be buffered reader in is equal to new buffered reader read. Now there should be output statement, so that for input editor should be ready. System dot out dot println, and we are going to ask user to enter the value for string and number. So both the variables we are going to write str. Here should be the message for user. Enter the value for str and n. N means number, string means that string. So semicolon should be there. Now here should be another statement which will be n is equal to integer dot parse int, and then in dot read line. Read line, and this is the method or function. You can tell it function. Function and method are same. So whatever function we used to call in C language or C++ language, here in Java we call them as methods. Now semicolon, then str is equal to, now for str we just simply write in dot read line. This method we are calling, and then semicolon. Now there should be output also for them. Now again we are going to write system dot out dot println now there should be message, you have entered plus operator n another line Here you can make it more explanatory. This message, you have entered this N, you have entered, for number you have entered. Here you can make it meaningful. The message will be meaningful. For number you have entered N. For string you have entered str. It's showing no syntax error. Now save the class, and after saving, let's execute this program. Now it is showing that enter the value for N. Let's enter the value for N24 and hit enter, and it is showing 24. Now it is saying that enter the value for str. Let's give the value educare, and now hit enter, and it is showing educare, and then it is showing that message. For number you have entered 24, for string you have entered educare.